What's going on, everybody? My name is LBThaRealist with Surrealistic Studios. Surreal News, where the real is surreal. So we got the Medicare for All March going on. I'm going to read to you from actionnetwork.org. I'm actually going to share this in the description down below so you guys can sign the petition. Right now, they're at 621 signatures. The goal is 800. So they've been crushing these goals, these short-term goals. So go ahead and sign this petition for Medicare for All. There is a march on July 24th. They're going to be having it in multiple cities as well as in San Diego, California. So initially, I didn't think I was going to be able to attend, but I'm going to try to attend this one. It's at 10 o'clock, so I just have to set an alarm and make sure I get up. So you guys wish me luck on that one. It's actually right down the street from where I work at, too. So that's pretty cool, although I don't go in at anywhere near that time. So let me go ahead and read to you from actionnetwork.org so we can get a little bit of background on what this is. A Medicare for All movement issues demands to the United States government. And here you can sign the petition for Medicare for All. Everyone in, nobody out. Like most Americans, when the COVID-19 pandemic shut down our country, we thought this was it. America would finally catch up to the rest of the developed world and have a healthcare system that is free at the point of service. As we all know, this did not happen yet. In the richest country in the world, 68,000 Americans needlessly die each year because of corporate greed. Our government is bought and paid for by big pharmaceutical companies and the private health insurance industry. The lie, how are we going to pay for it, should have buried itself in 2019 when the COVID-19 pandemic arrived. Millions of us received multiple stimulus checks during the shutdown, free COVID-19 testing, and free COVID-19 vaccines. This is what Medicare for All looks like. So many of us are sick and tired of being sick and tired, but not anymore. The American people are hitting the streets in 2021. We, the people, are demanding representation immediately. We are asking the American people to answer the call and sign our petition. Don't just get mad, get big mad. We have grassroots organizers who put together nearly 50 marches that will be held on Saturday, July 24th across the country. Follow March for Medicare for All, hashtag M4M for All. 3 L's here, and then they have the linktree / March for Medicare for All. The movement is in motion and will stay in motion until we win. Here are the demands of the American people. We demand the United States government, number 1, pass improved and expanded Medicare for All immediately, a single-payer healthcare system that is free at the point of service to all Americans regardless of sex, age, creed, race, religion, gender, ethnicity, citizenship, disability, geographic location, income, employment status, which includes but not limited to 0 copays, 0 deductibles, 0 in or out of network restrictions, full dental covered, full vision covered, full funeral expenses covered, full chronic conditions covered, full senior centers, nursing homes, and long-term care covered, full home health care covered, full elective surgery covered, such as abortions, full audiology covered, full bariatric surgery covered, full post-surgical care covered, full palliative and end-of-life covered, full maternity, newborn, and pediatric care covered, full acupuncture covered, full rehabilitative covered, full physical therapy covered, full reproductive care covered, full substance abuse treated covered, full medical services and biological products covered, full mental health covered, full prescription drugs covered, full medical marijuana, entheogenic plants, and fungi covered. Number 2, recognize healthcare as a human right for all people, regardless of sex, age, creed, race, religion, gender identity, as citizenship, disability, geographic location, income, and employment status. Number 3, prioritize healthcare first in the federal budget, which includes, but not limited to, eliminate medical debt immediately, funding the single-payer healthcare system, funding wellness centers, nutrition centers, and preventive care, improving communities with the least amount of hospitals and clinics, employing more healthcare professionals nationwide, enrolling future doctors and nurses in schools nationwide. If all three demands are not met on or before Friday, August 6th, 2021, they put a date on this, y'all, we, the Medicare for All movement, will file a human rights violation complaint with the United Nations. If not now, when? And this is a petition by Sharif Snuggs of Jackson Heights, New York. So shout out to you, Sharif. We appreciate you, brother, for all that you do. Let's see here. To the United States government, and it says from your name. So if you sign a petition, you'll be sending this over to the government. Dear United States government, the United States is capable of providing a single-payer healthcare system that is free at the point of service to all Americans, regardless of sex, age, creed, race, religion, gender identity, citizenship, disability, geographic location, income, and employment status. As Congress reviews President Biden's $3.5 trillion budget framework, we stand together to demand you, our federal government, to immediately pass an improved and expanded Medicare for all. We also demand you declare healthcare as a human right for all people. We further demand President Biden and the entire Congress to prioritize healthcare first in the federal budget immediately. We are the richest country in the world and have the capacity to choose comprehensive healthcare for all right now, to meet the massive needs for workers and marginalized people in the United States. Therefore, if all three demands are not met on or before Friday, August 6th, 2021, we, the Medicare for All movement, will file a human rights violation complaint with the United Nations. Sincerely yours, Medicare for All movement. Bam. And there it goes, folks. That is the letter to the United States government. Again, this is a petition by Sharif Snuggs. The Medicare for All March will be held on July 24th. That is a Saturday? Let me see here. I believe that is a Saturday, folks. Yeah, Saturday, July 24th, across the country. They're going to be in multiple cities across the country. So they say nearly 50 marches across the country. So find your local group, find your local march, and see if you can get involved. And sign this petition. I'm going to leave this in the description so you guys can sign the petition. You can find all of my information there as well if you want to support the show. Find me on Twitter, LB_TheRealist. Like this video, share, comment, and subscribe, folks. Until next time, love, peace, and light. Remember what we're fighting for. If not now, really, when? During a global pandemic, we still couldn't get Medicare for all. If not now, then when, folks? So many people are dying. So many people are afraid to go to the hospital because they're afraid to get that bill. And I know I'm one of them. I know my grandmother, she was one of them. And maybe, just maybe, if she wasn't scared to go to the hospital, if she actually felt trust in our system, trust that she wouldn't be bankrupt if she went, then, just maybe they could have done something differently for her, and it is what it is, folks, but it doesn't have to be. So with all that being said, love, peace, and light. I'll catch you guys on the next video. I'm out. Oh, I got another video that I'm going to do on Cuba coming up, so check that video out. And also, I'll let you guys know what happened in my Movement for a People's Party Zoom call that I had yesterday. So if you guys want to hear that, check out that video. Stay tuned. I'll be uploading soon. All right, folks? Check out all my other videos. So I got a plethora of videos that I've been recording for the last 4 or 5 years that you guys can check out. And I think that's all. Until the next video, I'm out.